Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. All right, so we're looking at page 8, Best in Class. And the first one shows us a fermata, and part A shows us a fermata on a D. And part B. 1, 2, 3. All right, at number 19, how do you sound? Sound a little shaky on that, actually. Another try. 1, 2, start now. And here's part B. 1, 2, 3. Another try. 1, 2, 3, now. And here's. All right, so we're on page 8, and this is number 21. Half note happening. 2 beats per half note, and it takes up half the measure. And our next song, Making Muffins, which is actually hot cross buns. All right, down to 23, Little Robin Redbreast. And number 24, last one on the page, Merrily We Roll Along. All right. Thank you. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.